Time to change it up. It is fall now, you guys. The season has changed and so has my hair regimen. I am co-washing for extra moisture to give my curls tender, loving care. Hey you guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Sheba Renee, and today I am going to be co-washing. The season has changed and so has my hair regimen. Now, if you are subscribers to this channel, hint, hint, you know that in the past, for the summertime, the springtime, I have been on a water washing only journey, a DIY regimen journey. So I have not put any store-bought products in my hair, you guys. So since the season has changed, I don't want any setbacks with moisture. So I feel that co-washing is just going to give me that perfect level of moisture to keep my curls in check, to maintain that level of moisture, and to retain length. So in this video, I'm using the Urban Hydration Honey Health and Repair Deep Conditioner, and that's what I'm slapping into my hair right now. So take this time now and do me the honor of subscribing to my channel, you guys. I try to upload a video for you guys every week. And if you have any feedback for me or some comments, please drop them below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to let you rock out. You guys already know what it is when it entails co-washing. Thanks again for watching, you guys, and I'll see you soon.
Already